Here, Grendel, your time of terror over this meat hall comes to an end.
Blah, 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 blah.
I am Ripper, Terror, Slasher, Gouger. I am the teeth in the darkness, the talons in the night, minus strength and lessened power. I am Beowulf.
Oh no, my arm fell off. Oh no.
I am going to kill the monster's mother and put an end to this.
Excuse me, what are you trying to do?
I'm going
What?
to kill the mom.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Not gonna kill me. Oh no, I'm dying! Help! Oh god!
No.
My purse! No!
Oh, grab the sword. Dare you, dragon, be brave enough to face me, Beowulf?
Someone call my name?
Yeah.
Breeze fire! 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 Oh no! Hey, you need some help? Hey,
Yes,
yeah!
please.
Beat up the dragon. Oh no! Oh no! I'm a dragon. I'm dying. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! In my hand. I'm bitten. Oh god!
Get this knife.
Oh no! Oh no! Fight! Oh no! I'm about to die. Bye, y'all.
Wiglaf,
Yes.
I ask of you to bring forth the dragon's treasure and bring it to me.
Okay. Yeah.
Treasure.
Yeah. Yeah.